should not be should not be put forward, because giving permission for corrupter is against the conscientious of human thinking, because corruptor has done much more harm than good to community and human and also the environment. And then next is talking about agreeing on giving permission. I agree of giving permission to someone who has stolen maybe something that not really huge in crime. For example, stealing somebody else bag or somebody else property like that. For example, stealing bag, stealing money in not huge amount. For example, stealing gold in the gold jewelry shop. I agree with giving permission for that kind of crime. And then I agree giving permission for prisoner of war, because prisoner of war is very if prisoner of war has good intention, I agree on giving permission for them. But if the prisoner of war has no good intention, I don't agree giving permission for that kind of prisoner of war. For example, I don't agree giving permission for prisoner of war of Israel, because Israel has done much harm, much damage to our community worldwide.